Hello, happy Friday, guys. I feel like I never really do this on Fridays. But we have a pretty interesting day, so I thought I would take you along with us. We went to the grocery store this morning as soon as Asher woke up and ate breakfast. So we already did that. He's napping now. It is 11:18 and he'll probably wake up around 12. But I am going to be running some more errands today. He is in a fussy mood, but he's still like being kind of silly and playful, and that, like I said, his personality just started to come out, so I love it so much. So that's fun. But I am going to do the dishes while he is napping, because as soon as he wakes up we have to leave after he eats. So busy day. So we just got our package of meat from Omaha Steak Company. I'm excited. I gotta go put this in the freezer. But we got a special from Blaze's employer. Go them. It was like a Christmas gift for us, and we got to choose which package we wanted, and we chose the freezer loader. And it comes with like so many different kinds of meat. I don't even know what this is. Okay, so this is kielbasa. Is that sausage? Yes, and there's 4 of them. And then this is gourmet jumbo franks, 4 of them as well. I think this is the steak. I don't know why it doesn't say. I'm a little confused. Oh, look. Chicken breast. Okay, so we also got chicken breast and pork chops. This must be the burgers. This stuff is so cold. Ground beef burgers. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to try these out. Blaze is too. This is like a lot of meals for us. This is steaks. Okay, steak burgers, there's 8. That's like enough for 4 dinners, because we only each eat 1 burger. So that's 4 meals. Then the pork chops, we can make rice and gravy, and if there's 4, that's a meal. Chicken breast, so 4, 5, 6 nights of meals. I guess 7 with the jumbo franks. What did I say? 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, yeah, 7. And then with the sausage, we could use that in the rice and gravy. And yeah, 7 nights worth of food. Well, a whole week. I'm so excited. Say, somebody woke up from their nap super grumpy. Yeah, was it you? Did you wake up grumpy? No. So I was starting to get supper cooked. Making spaghetti. That's funny. I'm getting supper cooked, making spaghetti. I don't know when Blaze is getting off, but I'm just gonna do that, and we're gonna eat spaghetti tonight. And so me and Asher are just gonna hang out and do with him being a grumpy boy. He sees the cat. You see the cat? You could do this all day, huh? Where are you going? Come on. Here, push it with this one. Here. There you go. Where are you going? Good morning, good morning. Did you have a cinnamon roll for breakfast? Baby Einstein's on. Blaze just left to go to the store and get some milk. I am making these meatballs for the Christmas thing at my mom's this afternoon. So, in there. And then it just calls for spicy barbecue sauce, but I'm just going to use regular because kids are going to be eating this. And then whole cranberry sauce. Not the jelly. And I'm going to put it in the crock pot, pressure cooker, and slow cook it for 4 hours, and then go from there.
Be that as it may, it's the only seat left. Come in now.
Please try not to shake the seat like that.
Now, class, remember, not to stick any part of your body out the window. We all know the tragic story of the young man who stuck his arm out the window and had it ripped off by a big truck coming in the other direction.
And I was that.
You just going in circles? Oh, you did! You happy about that? Blah, 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 blah. Come on. I'ma get you. I'ma get you. I'ma get you. Where you going? Look your presents. What's in there? Nothing you want? Oh. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, December 23rd. Blaze is at work today. Asher is still sleeping. I woke up a little bit before him. He usually wakes up around 8:30. I woke up at like 7:30 just because my niece is coming. Spend the day with me because she's out for school break and my sister has work. So I am going to feed my crazy cat. He won't stop meowing for some food. Finish my glass of water and drink some coffee in peace and quiet before they get here, because I think she said she was leaving her house at 8 and it's 7:50 now. And I have a bad habit of never being able to drink all my coffee while it's still hot. So hopefully I will have a chance to do that with Asher still asleep.
I can slap him right in the face with a paint can nail. Or shove a nail through his foot. First thing I'm gonna do, fight off every
You
one
won't.
of these
I don't have
little
time.
one at a time.
You got a dinosaur?
You don't have time, dude.
You got a dinosaur?
Yeah, I don't have time, dude. Wait. I got it.
Oh, uh-oh. What?
Nice move. Always leave the water running. Now we know each and every house that we hit.
Hey, you know, we've been looking for you two guys for a long time.
Yeah. Now remember, we're the Wet Bandits. Wet Bandits. W-A-D.
I did not see that coming.
Yay! you doing? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Yes, Stella. You could go on the couch. Do you like to look outside?